Hi guys, it's a video Prodigy Girl, and today I'm going to show you a battle with Ivory Truckle. So first let's read about this creature. Oh, past it. Okay, so this is the only way it stays forever, and it's about Ivory Truckle's about Spotting an Ivory Truckle is a rare case, as they are usually found only by the most skilled trackers. So now let's look at its stats. So it has kind of the same amount of power in hearts, almost, but it has a little less power than it has of hearts. Its element is plant, so now we're gonna go ahead and close it, and we're gonna go ahead and go to Lamplight Town. But we're going to go all the way over here. And now we're going to head into the arena to battle. And click Start. And this is our battle for the day. Okay, so let's read what the Emerald Knight is about. One night, Xiang disappeared into the mountains alone. For days, students could hear the sounds of battle, and a green glow filled the sky. He returned wearing a mysterious emerald armor, which he claimed he took from a dragon. Okay, so let's see. Our reward is 500 if we win. So now let's go ahead and click challenge. And we're going to click OK. I'll be right back from answering this question. Okay guys, so I got the answer correct. And now we're going to see what effect she does. Okay, not a lot, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna. Okay, so that went a little wrong, and let's see, we'll go with Forest Hurricane again, and I'll be right back from answering this question again. Okay guys, so I got the answer correct. Alright, okay, so she already released her Forest Hurricane, and oh, it missed. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and click Overgrowth, and I'll be right back. Okay, so it affected it a lot, and now, so I guess I gave it a critical hit, and it did it back. Okay, so Squibble is gone. Now we're just going to have to try to beat him ourselves. So I'll be right back from this question once again. Okay guys, so I just got the answer correct, and now, okay, yay, so I got rid of that guy. And I still haven't gone with this guy. Oh yay, he missed. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get an item out. I'm going to go ahead and use this to heal some hearts. Now I'm going to do Forest Hurricane. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do that, so I'll be right back from answering the questions in the video. Okay guys, so I just won the battle with Ivory Truckle's focus spell. So, and it just happens randomly, I guess. And, okay. So we won that battle, and okay, so now we're getting those stars. So now it's time to get our reward. I'm going to go ahead and click this member box. Guess it just got 600 gold. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!